Bowie, what you doing, baby? All right. What you hanging out by the laundromat? What are you hanging out there for? You keeping an eye on the laundry? I just got these 2 pair of pants to wash. Okay? I love you. I know. I don't know. Who told you that? Okay, well, I'll have a look. I think you do have some. You're so handsome. You're so handsome. Look at your feet. Look at your cute big oven mitt feet. You want to get petted. I know. You're so handsome. I'll see you later, buddy. I gotta change the laundry or fill that laundry up.